Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road fighting with a manual scissor jack in the dark, in the rain, or on uneven ground? You already know how frustrating and even dangerous that situation can be. One wrong move and your car feels unstable, your hands are dirty, and you're wondering why changing a tire has to be this hard. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best electric car jacks that can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of stress, so you can pick the right one the first time and avoid wasting your money. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe for more no-nonsense automotive gear reviews. Check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with your experience or any questions you've got. Coming in at number 5, we have the STANDTALL electric car jack. This is a 12-volt electric hydraulic jack designed to plug directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket or battery, and it typically offers a lifting capacity of up to 5 tons, which is more than enough for most sedans, SUVs, and even light trucks. It features a lifting range that generally covers low-profile cars up to higher clearance vehicles, making it versatile for daily drivers. The kit usually includes the electric jack, a power cable, battery clamps, a user manual, and a sturdy carrying case to keep everything organized in your trunk. The construction is built around a heavy-duty steel base for stability, and the hydraulic mechanism is enclosed to protect it from dust and debris. In real-world use, the STANDTALL is a solid entry-level electric jack for drivers who want convenience without paying premium pricing. It lifts smoothly with the push of a button, and compared to a manual jack, the time and effort you save is immediately noticeable. It's especially useful for anyone who doesn't have the upper body strength to crank a traditional jack or just wants a safer, faster solution during roadside emergencies. For occasional use and peace of mind in your trunk, it delivers excellent value. The only downside is that it's not the fastest lifter in this lineup, but at this price point, it's still a very strong buy. At number 4, we've got the FEANISIFEI electric car jack. This model also offers a 5-ton lifting capacity and runs on a 12-volt power system, making it compatible with most passenger vehicles. It typically features a lifting range that starts low enough for compact cars and extends high enough for SUVs. What stands out here is that many FEANISIFEI kits come as a complete roadside emergency package, often including not just the electric jack, but also an electric impact wrench, sockets, gloves, and sometimes even an air pump. The jack itself is constructed from high-strength steel with a wide, stable base, and the internal hydraulic system is designed to provide consistent lifting without sudden drops. What I like about the FEANISIFEI is the all-in-one convenience. If you want a single case in your trunk that handles lifting and lug nut removal without extra tools, this is a smart choice. In real roadside scenarios, being able to lift the car and remove the lug nuts with powered tools cuts your tire change time dramatically. It's ideal for families, commuters, and anyone who travels long distances regularly. The performance feels reliable, and the added accessories increase the overall value for money. The minor drawback is that the full kit makes the case a bit bulkier, but for what you get, it's absolutely worth it. Now at number 3, the Trihelper electric car jack steps things up. This is another 12-volt, 5-ton electric hydraulic jack, but Trihelper has built a reputation for slightly more refined kits. The lifting range typically accommodates vehicles from low sedans to higher SUVs, and the steel structure feels robust and confidence-inspiring. Many Trihelper kits include an electric impact wrench and multiple socket sizes, along with battery clamps for direct connection if your cigarette lighter port doesn't supply enough power. The jack base is wide and reinforced, and the motor is engineered to deliver steady, controlled lifting with built-in safety features to prevent overload. In practical use, the Trihelper feels like a dependable middle ground option for people who want durability and a more premium feel without jumping to the most expensive model. The lift speed is solid and the operation is straightforward. Connect, position, press the button, and you're up. It's especially good for SUV owners who need that extra confidence in stability. Everything about it feels just a bit more polished, from the casing to the motor response. The only small downside is that it can be slightly louder than some higher-end models, but performance-wise, it's extremely reliable. At number 2, we have the ROGTZ electric hydraulic car jack. This one is designed with heavy-duty use in mind, offering up to a 5-ton lifting capacity and a broad lifting range suitable for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. It operates on a 12-volt system and typically includes both cigarette lighter and battery clamp connections for flexible power options. The build quality here is noticeably rugged, with reinforced steel components and a wide base that provides excellent ground stability. Many ROGTZ kits also bundle in an electric impact wrench and additional accessories, all stored in a hard shell carrying case that feels durable enough for regular use. What really makes the ROGTZ stand out is how confident it feels under load. When you're lifting a heavier SUV or crossover, stability matters, and this jack delivers that reassuring steadiness. It's a great choice for drivers who want something closer to professional grade without stepping into workshop-level pricing. The lifting motion is smooth and strong, and the overall construction feels built to last. The only minor downside is that it's slightly heavier than some of the others, but that added weight comes from the sturdier build, which is a fair trade-off. Finally, at number 1, the E-HEELP electric car jack earns the top spot. This model typically offers a powerful 5-ton capacity and an impressive lifting range that covers low-profile cars all the way up to larger SUVs. It runs on a 12-volt power source and often includes both battery clamps and a cigarette lighter plug for maximum compatibility. The jack is constructed from heavy-duty steel with a stable, widened base, and many E-HEELP kits are comprehensive roadside solutions that include an electric impact wrench, multiple socket sizes, gloves, spare fuses, and a durable storage case. The hydraulic system is engineered for efficient, consistent lifting, and built-in safety protections help prevent overload and overheating. In real-world performance, the E-HEELP simply feels like the most complete and refined package in this lineup. It lifts quickly, stays stable, and the included impact wrench makes tire changes incredibly fast and almost effortless. If you want something you can rely on during a real emergency without second-guessing its strength or stability, this is the one I'd personally keep in my trunk. It's perfect for SUV owners, road trippers, and anyone who values speed and convenience during roadside repairs. The only slight drawback is that it comes at a higher price than basic models, but the performance and included tools justify every dollar. At the end of the day, every jack on this list will make your life easier than a manual scissor jack, but the right choice depends on your needs. If you want a budget-friendly upgrade, the STANDTALL gets the job done. If you love an all-in-one kit, the FEANISIFEI is a strong value pick. The Trihelper offers a balanced, durable mid-range option. The ROGTZ is ideal for heavier vehicles and drivers who want extra stability. And if you want the most complete, powerful, and confidence-inspiring setup, the E-HEELP takes the top spot. Make sure you check the links in the description for the best current deals, subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which one you'd trust in your trunk.